Hey, welcome back. As you can see by the title of the video, I just ordered a new front splitter for the Supra. It's been a minute since I got anything new for the Supra, so I'm really excited to put this on. Came in last night. I'm waiting for Dan to get here now, and then once Dan gets here, we're gonna start ripping the bumper off. It is already like 5 o'clock though, so the sun's about to go down. So we have about maybe 45 minutes to get the bumper off, and we'll bring it inside. But while we wait for Dan to get here, let me show you what's in the box. It comes with all the hardware that you need, including the spacers, the bolts, the washers, all of that. It comes with the rods that you need to support it when it's on the car. And then of course it comes with the splitter itself. All right, I don't know where Dan's at. He's taking a little longer than expected. So I wanna just get this off the car before the sun goes down. So I'm gonna start taking off some panels. There he is. But we have an issue now. I broke one of the clips and I don't know if I can get it out.
A few moments later.
I got the clip out and we got the one piece out. Dan's working on the other side. Oh. Hey man, you got it, bud.
Come on, you slut.
You got it. They really did build these better than the 21s. Yours just popped out like nothing.
Literally, bro. Fucking, I do have a shit box. So, hey, bud. What happened, bud?
I broke the other one.
Anyways, oh, look at that. Huh.
Well, on to the next. I need a better grip on it. Ugh. Pull out game strong. It popped through.
What popped? Oh, what?
It's okay, we're keeping it.
Wait,
It's good. It's good, we're keeping it.
Okay.
No, we're pulling that out.
No, don't pull it out.
What do you mean don't pull it out? All right, I'm gonna get something to cut it off.
Now we're cutting things. One more.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
No, it's stuck, Fuck.
Alright, ready?
Wait, let me, is it? No, okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh, thunder, good. There's a clip right here. A plug that you have to unplug.
Oh, it's the plug.
The plug. There we go.
You got it?
Yep, that's one on this side, and then there's one on the other side as well.
My guy studied.
I did. I had to study because I didn't want to go into this not knowing what the fuck was going on.
Can't see. There we go.
Here we go.
Bam.
All right, bumpers off. I'm gonna throw these.
I like the no front bumper look, honestly.
Yeah, you think it's hard?
Yeah.
Yo,
dude.
just get a crash bar, dude.
Yeah, honestly, like.
Shit go hard. Let's see it without the hood open. I'm gonna take these extra pieces after I sneeze and throw them back in here. Now that we have the bumper off, let's head inside, warm up a bit, get the splitter on, and then we'll come back out here later when it's even colder. This is a little scary, honestly.
Bro, fucking send it.
A little too much. All right, let's get it bolted up. You think people really think we don't have any idea what we're doing?
Bro, I'm about to start a fucking auto shop. This is easy.
I'm down. We could actually.
This
do
is
that.
easy, dude.
We could literally actually do that.
Definitely gonna lose a lot of money for like a couple of years, but we got it.
What up?
So look who showed up.
Look who showed up.
I did.
All right.
Live.
Well, now we're just measuring out where the rods are gonna go.
He went lower on his.
Yeah, I don't like the way his looks though.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I think if it looks better if it's flush here, and the angle's a little bit.
All right. So
Like
now we just have to get to drilling. It would look good. The rods are just they're not long enough.
Yeah.
From what I can tell.
Yeah. You ready?
No, not really.
Yo, I'm gonna talk shit on the camera.
Usually when I have to pee. But.
All right. Well, we full sent one side.
Well, you didn't go yet.
You didn't send
What do
it
you mean
to
I
me.
didn't go yet?
It's not all the way through.
That's through.
Oh,
It is through.
is it?
Yeah,
Go all the way through?
that's through.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
I just gotta make it a little better. Now we just gotta full send the other side and hope I don't fuck it up. Oh, I don't like that.
Do you want somebody to hold it on the other side?
Hold on, let me hold the bumper for him.
This is how I'm gonna find the center. To make sure that it's the true center.
90% of the time, I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
Alright, now that we marked out the bumper for about an hour, because I'm fucking scared as shit to drill this, we're gonna do it. Fuck it. No going back now. What?
Wait, you got dominoes?
When did you get done?
My sister ordered. I got it. They're a little tight. Alright, Dennis, where are you coming?
Oh god.
I need you to go in the back.
Hey, yo.
Okay, yo.
Pause. Pause. Rewind. Go the other way.
Go other way, alright, come here.
The other way.
That's good. Let me get the nut.
Yes. Next time.
Good with my fingers.
Daniel.
Prove it.
It's in.
Waiting for the nut to get.
It's in.
Is it in?
No cap, it's in.
Alright, it's in.
If you can't tell it's in, I'm just going home.
I feel like this is gonna end up on the wrong site.
Yo. We can make it end up on the wrong site.
Alright, so we finished up the front bumper. It's all on now. Everything's done and installed. I didn't really get to film too much because 1, it was a pain in the ass putting it back on. 2, it was dark. So we're gonna head over to the gas station so we can get some nice videos, show you what the final product looks like, and then hopefully there'll be some more parts coming in soon. Let's jump over there. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I love the way it came out. The install of the actual lip was very easy. Putting the bumper back on, not so easy. This guy in the background. But if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.